Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the website data on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons right here. Once you wake up the screen, press the Crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the General. Tap on it, then scroll down and find the option called Website Data. Tap on it, and here tap on the Clear Website Data button, and then scroll down and tap on Clear Data. What this option does is basically it removes all of the cookies, history, and stuff like that from your browsing data. So if you want to remove it, you can tap on Clear Data, and it's gonna be removed. And once you're done, you can press the Crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.